Hi everyone, welcome to week 4. This week we're going to move into another area of specific disease and infection related to global health. So you'll be responsible for reading chapter 9 and completing the quiz, and you'll move into signature project quiz 3. Again, these are pass-fail. You'll have 3 attempts to take these. And then we will move into a case study. So all of the case studies can be found here, but specifically you'll want to be looking at Gavi's Human Papillomavirus Vaccine Support Program. So you will find that specific case study in this area here, and then this is going to be the form that you will be answering all of the questions that you'll find here. So we're going to start to really understand different programs. You'll provide summaries of these case studies, identify pros and cons, target populations of the intervention, really the sustainability of the program, if this is something that is continuing to happen now, and then really ethical considerations. So we're going to start to tie in those ethical viewpoints and really how those look at various programs that are being implemented, whether in the past or currently. So you'll be responsible for going through this case study and answering all of these questions. And then you'll turn this in through this assignment link here. So that will be the first part of week 4. And the second part, we'll be moving into malaria and some of those tropical diseases. I know I used to live in Papua New Guinea a long time ago, and malaria, just realizing there's a typo, I will fix that. Malaria is definitely one that we were highly warned about, and the fear was put in us. So leaving the house without any sort of mosquito repellent and sleeping in the jungle, certainly under mosquito nets, and drinking water. And it was very interesting to live in that type of environment. Certainly makes me appreciate where we're at now, and really the vast lengths and strides we've made understanding these different diseases and technology, and really science that has helped move us forward. So you'll be responsible for reading chapter 10, taking the quiz. You will have another case study. So this one is specific about malaria elimination in Sri Lanka. And so you'll need to answer all of these questions. So you'll see that there's 3 questions after each topic area. So you'll be responsible for answering all of those. And again, this is the form that you'll be submitting all of those answers in. You'll also want to start studying for the first exam. So the first exam is going to be over every chapter that we've covered thus far, chapters 1 through 10. And so that will be at the beginning of week 5. So that will be open for you to take, and you'll want to make sure that you're reviewing previous chapters, previous quizzes, and going over all of the information that we've learned this far. So that's week 4. If you have any questions, let me know. And I hope everybody has a really good week. And hard to believe now we're halfway done with the content and information that we're going to be studying this semester. Thanks.